Flirting doesn't always have to be bold or overt. Sometimes, the most powerful forms of attraction come from subtle actions and behaviors that make others want you without you even trying. Here's how to master the art of subtle flirting and make anyone fall for you. Number 1. Eye contact, the gateway to desire. One of the most powerful tools in flirting is eye contact. It's subtle yet intimate. When you hold someone's gaze for just a little longer than usual, you create a sense of closeness and connection. The key is not to stare excessively, but to maintain eye contact just long enough to show interest without making the other person feel uncomfortable. Eye contact conveys confidence, attraction, and intent. Number 2. The power of light touch. Touches that are light, casual, and non-intrusive can go a long way in flirting. A tap on the arm, a brush of the shoulder, or a playful nudge. These small gestures can send powerful signals without saying a word. The key is to make the touch feel natural and unforced, signaling that you're comfortable and confident in their presence. Number 3. Smile. Genuinely. Smiling is universally recognized as an expression of warmth and friendliness, but when used subtly, it can be incredibly attractive. A genuine smile, one that reaches your eyes, immediately makes you more approachable and desirable. Smile not just to show politeness, but to signal warmth, interest, and openness to the person you want to attract. Number 4. Use playful teasing. Playful teasing is a subtle yet highly effective form of flirting. It shows that you're confident and have a sense of humor, which is irresistible. Light teasing can make the other person feel special, especially if it's accompanied by a smile or laughter. Just be careful not to cross the line. Tease in a way that feels fun and inclusive, not hurtful. Number 5. Pay attention to their needs. Subtle flirting often involves paying attention to the other person's needs. If they're talking, listen carefully. If they seem to be looking for something, offer help or support in a way that feels effortless. When you show that you're attentive and genuinely care about their comfort, it makes them feel valued and connected to you, drawing them in even further. Number 6. The art of mystery. One of the most alluring aspects of subtle flirting is the mystery it creates. Don't give everything away about yourself all at once. Share just enough to keep them intrigued, but leave some questions unanswered. People are drawn to mystery because they're curious, and when you're a bit of an enigma, they'll want to get closer to solve the puzzle. I always share extended info in just 2 minutes. Subscribe now and save your time.